Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to switch focus between Chrome tabs using Selenium WebDriver. It's fairly easy using AutoHotkey. We can send control tab commands in order to switch focus, but that messes up in case you open a new application or the focus moves away from the Chrome browser. Now the Selenium method works well even if the WebDriver is even if the Chrome browser is minimized or if it's in the background. That's not a problem. The code is fairly straightforward. Let's jump into it. Before we actually look at how to shift focus, we first need to link the Chrome driver instance with an already running instance of Chrome browser. And the way we do it is using the debug mode. First we check if in case we already have a Chrome browser open, which port it is open in using this function, which is here. Here we are just getting the port number for this process, which is the chrome.exe. Once we have the port number, we compare if it is 9222, which is the debug port number for Chrome browser, and if it's not, it would kill all the running instances of Chrome browser and open a new instance in the debug mode. This is necessary in order to link the Selenium WebDriver with the Chrome browser, because as it is, if we run this code, if we create an instance of Selenium WebDriver and we do a driver start, it opens a new window of Chrome browser which says that it's being manipulated with an automation tool. To avoid that and to link it with an already instance of running web browser, we follow this step. Once we have that, we define an hotkey. In this case it is Windows J, and we call the Chrome get function, which returns an instance of Selenium WebDriver. Chrome get function is here. What we are doing here is we are creating an instance of Selenium Chrome WebDriver, setting the parameter of debugger address to 9222, which is this, and then we are starting the WebDriver. Once we have that, we switch the focus to a different tab. Let me show you why we are doing this. This is my Chrome web browser, and now I've pressed the Windows J key, and as I see that the current focus of the Selenium WebDriver is on tab 6, even though I have tab 3 active. If I click OK, the focus shifts back to tab 3, which is my active tab. That's what this line of code is for, to shift the focus of our Selenium WebDriver from whichever tab it is currently on to the active tab that we have. If you only have one tab open, this would show you an error because it's unable to switch to the next window, which is why I've put it in a try and catch block where the catch part of the code is empty. And then we have the driver title. Now, the code to actually switch between the Chrome tabs, which is this one, we pass the tab title name that we want to switch to and the current instance of the driver, which is the Selenium WebDriver. In the function, we have a flag which is initially set to false, and we get all the open tabs using driver.windows function. To check if we are already on the desired tab, we first do this where we search for the desired tab in the driver title. If it is true, then there's no need to switch and the function returns driver. In case we are not already on the desired tab, this is the for loop to iterate over all the open tab windows. For X and driver tab, driver.windows, we go over each tab, look for the desired tab in the x.title. If it is found, the flag is set to true and we break out of the loop. In case we don't find the desired tab in any of the open tabs, the tab found flag would still remain false, and this portion opens a new tab saying that the tab was not found. Now to see this in motion, I'm looking for tab 2 and I'm passing the driver instance. Let's go here. I press the hotkey Windows J. It shows me that the Chrome driver is currently focused on tab 6, which is the last one. I click OK. After switching to the next window, it's now on the current active tab, which is tab 4. Now the for loop starts looking through all the tabs and is looking for tab 2, which is the variable that I've passed. Goes to tab 3, goes to tab 5, goes to tab 1, and finally goes to tab 2. And here it should match the tab title with the desired title. And that's what it says, found x.title equals to tab 2. And then it returns driver, because we are iterating through just the driver object, and we're iterating through the open tabs. And when we come here, the object return is driver again, and driver.title gives us the new title, which is tab 2. Now the Selenium WebDriver is focused on this tab, and you can proceed with your testing and do whatever you desire. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We have used a lot of helper functions here, like the one to check the port number, to link the already existing Chrome browser session with the Selenium WebDriver, which is this part. And this is a nifty little code to open a new tab. We can do this using Control T as well, but this is using Selenium, well, not Selenium, rather just COM object create, where we send in a new HTTP request, and this opens a Chrome tab. This would work even if the Chrome browser is in the backend. I'll leave a link to all this code in the video description, and let me know if you have any doubts, and I'll try my best to answer them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.